We're on Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tyres. Alright, so you guys, power is great, but if I can't use that power, it's pointless, isn't it? So let's see how we go. Car weighs 2.5 tons. So that's heavy. It's not a sports car. No one told it that because it thinks it is.
Yeah. You fake it till you make it.
Well, this is not faking it. This is
Right
this
now,
is
guys,
making
you're on
it.
3 wheels, by the way. This wheel's
Oh.
up in the air. There we go. Come down. There we go. I've never seen an elephant do the ballet. Because right now it's we're making this thing. Right, so this is sunset. Beautiful corner. You'll see why it's called sunset later this afternoon. 138 k's an hour into the apex here. Whoa, she wants to step out sideways a little bit. You're a four-wheel drive SUV, you don't want to go sideways, surely. Got a little electric thing.
Electric.
It is electric though.
It is, but I mean, it has a name, you know. It's put. No? It just holds. It just hooks.
166 k's an hour through here. Discovery speed slightly down to 159. And then hard on the brakes, bring it back in here.
I can feel that wheel.
Yeah. Hey, it's 2.5 tons. Prediction for speed down the straight, please. Anyone?
190.
190. Okay. You know I do need to brake for the end, eh?
It's fine. You can brake after.
There's a wall there. No one showed you earlier. 190. There's 200 already. 210 k's an hour, and I'll come on the brakes. Oh, he forgot to brake there. Sure. Sorry, I was watching him, but not really watching what we were doing.
Thank you.
I like going on 3 wheels through this corner. Though, so
It's really fun.
No, not the way. And then we'll let it cool down from here. Not too bad, eh?